MyCam, dental CAD/CAM milling machine. The revolution in dental technology, perfect machining of the customized abutment and metal copping crown, as well as zirconia. Simultaneous 5-axis milling. MyCam can mill all kinds of undercut with excellent accuracy and precision. 6 multiple fixture. MyCam can mill continuously 6 different customized abutments on setup and doesn't need sprue cutting after milling. Self-detection of tool length and breakage. Self-correction of tool wear. Tool management system. MyCam monitors the longevity of tools. 16-position auto tool changing. Non-stop for tool changing. Hybrid design for both dry and wet processing. Versatile materials. Zirconium, metal alloy, and pre-milled abutment, PMMA, resin, wax, ultimate, glass ceramics, plaster, etc. Versatile categories: coping, crown, inlay, onlay, customized abutment, link abutment, dental bar, plaster model, etc. Easy operating with touch screen and friendly GUI. MyCam's precision machining could be implemented by powerful spins and elaborate design process. Open system for scanner, CAD/CAM and materials. It holds the CE mark, GMP certification and ISO 13485, patented technology and various licensing.